What though the field be lost, the will remains unconquered. John Milton. It's an exhilarating moment for all of us at Chitkara University to host the virtual convocation ceremony for the graduating class of 2020, a new normal. I invite Dr. Ashok K. Chitkara, Honorable Chancellor, to declare the convocation open and bless our graduating students.
It is my privilege to declare the annual convocation of Chitkara University open. Dear graduates, congrats to the special batch of 2020. The world of 2020 you inherit is the best, the greatest challenge of the century. You have the greatest opportunity in the generations to be the architects and the builder of the new normal world. Outstanding leaders are not those with the barrage of titles, but those who bring the greatest value in this world. My best wishes are always with you, and may God bless you with a very bright future. God bless you all. God bless Chitkara University. Long live Chitkara University. Thank you very much.
I have the distinct pleasure of inviting Dr. Madhu Chitkara, Honorable Pro-Chancellor, for her convocation address for the special class of 2020.
Congratulations to my batch 2020, and I think it is very special batch for Chitkara. Reason being that you were so confident for this new normal, and you did a great job in getting this degree, which was a challenge for all my faculty members, for the university, and I think I am very proud of it that you got very good marks and you were very supportive to the teachers, to the online mode, and this degree becomes a very special for all of us. Let's assure that whenever the things will be very normal, you all will be coming to the campus as an alumni of Chitkara, proud alumni of Chitkara, and we all are proud of you. So thank you very much. And at the end, I always say, and whenever my sessions were there, you must have seen that I'm always saying, stay safe, stay healthy, but now added one point, stay smart. Thank you.
Graduation is a great achievement under any circumstances, and being a topper, happiness has no bounds. Chitkara toppers, hear them what they have to share.
So finally the day has come. It was an amazing journey full of lot of experience and learning. I want to thank Chitkara for nurturing me in such a way that today I am placed in Deloitte, and I'm glad to be part of Chitkara. 2020 or no 2020, Chitkara moves ahead.
Learning was amazing at Chitkara University. I'm still wondering where the last 2 years went. Chitkara provides its students ample number of opportunities, may it be life projects, internships or placements. And in 2020, we have raised the bar. I'm a proud Chitkarian.
Today is my big day at Chitkara University. 2020 came with a silver lining that I am topping in my batch. I could not have asked for more. I always wanted to do something different, and CBS provided me that platform under investment banking program. Today I know that I can face any challenge that comes. Thank you Chitkara University, I'm proud of it.
It's been an exciting journey of learning business and the power of business analytics from our best practitioners and faculty. Thanks Chitkara for shaping my career. Proud to be a Chitkarian.
We have given wings to dreams of budding Chitkarians as they walk into the industry from now on. Let's hear it from the stalwarts of the corporate world for welcoming these Chitkarians into their world.
I would like to congratulate you on your passing out today from Chitkara University, and I would also like to thank the Chitkara management for inviting me for this digital convocation today what is happening. I personally have interacted a lot of students like you. They are doing very great today out in the market. All the very best for your future times. Thank you very much.
So finally today you guys are graduating. Good job done. Kudos to all of you. Now from here, life will have two major things: challenges and chances. Just keep focused, keep snatching chances and keep beating challenges. The future is bright, the future is you. Happy graduation guys.
History is what we will make of it. Class of 2020, the world has changed. Even though this is a virtual ceremony, never a graduating class has been called into the future with more purpose, hope to create a better world, a healthier world to live in. At Chitkara, we don't say goodbye. See you in 2021.
I declare the annual convocation of Chitkara University closed.